Hello YouTube, it is Sarab from Classic Talk. I'm bringing a very quick unboxing video of an accessory which I had ordered yesterday and it arrived today. So this one is going on that one, not on this and not on this. So as you're aware that I'm planning a trip to Land's End, which is around 300 miles each way. And then I'm riding around the coast there. So I'm preparing my bike. I've added a lot of stuff on it, which is due to come on this channel very soon. But before I'd open this bag, I thought that why not do a quick unboxing. So it is the crash bar bags, which will go on the sides of the bike. The idea is to just throw something quick in while you're riding. And I've heard a lot about these, but I didn't see many videos on the product itself, especially on this particular motorbike. So I thought, why not just order it, give it a go, and see how it looks and feels. So the brand is called Lomo. It's a very well-known adventure. They're rated very highly with regards to their waterproofing. So this bag comes in a pair. It is 6.5 liters, and which is exactly what I wanted. Didn't want something bulky to go around my bike. So this is what it is. This is how it comes in. I'm just going to leave it here, open it one by one to show how it looks. Initial impressions are good, and as expected, this is a very different material. This is completely waterproof, very thick, and the base, the back of it is really strong and nice as well. It's got a very hard wearing material there. So this is looking good. Taking it in a bit of a sunlight for you to see. This is how it looks, a quick 360. Nice and proud branding of Lomo. And if you turn it around, this is how it looks. The buckles are nice and sturdy. And these are kind of a roll top bags, so it protects you from the outside elements. Quite deep. My arm's gone in already, so if you can see, not sure if you can see how deep is it. Right, so I'll just have to work out how to install it. Let me install it, and I'm going to show you how the bike looks. So this is how it looks now, and this is with the bags. And here it is. After a bit of faffing around, I got my act together, and I have managed to put it right. So here it is, as you can see. Yeah, from the front, you may see that one side hasn't got it and one side has. I'm just trying it out, that which angle is better for me. So one bag is here, and if you see it, I've put one bag on the rear seat, which is good so far, but I'm going to see how it gets on. And of course, if not, it's going to be coming right in front. So here it is from the side. It's gone under the seat. It is quite sturdy. Don't think that once I put stuff in, it's not going to go anywhere. But this is how it looks on the rear seat and on this side. Right, hope you liked it. If you have any questions, as usual, drop me a line and I'll answer. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one.